Hey, welcome guys. Thank you for checking out our second video. Today, well, first I want to introduce ourselves. My name is John and I'm with my business partner Brian. We're from Joey Stake Pool. Today we wanted to talk about saturation. We're about a little over a month running into mainnet now, and a few pools are actually saturated now. So we wanted to take a look and see what's going on with that stuff. Hey Brian, just want to tap your brain. What you got on your mind in terms of saturation?
Um, yeah, like you said, we've been in this for a month now, and we're noticing pools are getting saturated. I think more education needs to go into what saturation is, and um, so that's the whole point of today's video. Um, I think a lot of the pools are doing a good job of trying to discourage saturation. Um, Saturation hurts everybody. It hurts the delegators because they don't get the max for their ADA. It hurts the pool because um, basically along the same lines. I take that back. It hurts the big pools, the top pools because um, everybody's rewards get diminished, and then of course it hurts the small pools because those oversaturation can go to the small pools. Um, so really, saturation kind of affects everybody. Um, I
Let's
think that's
let's
all I really
let's
want.
take a look here. So I got pool tool up on the display here, and let's take a look at. I sorted by life stake IOG one. Damn, they got 289 million ADA. Wow, that's a lot of ADA. That's their life stake. So that's what it is as of today, right? Their active stake, which is what the Epic is actually based off of from the previous Epic. So they're at 240 million ADA. So from this Epic to the next Epic, they're gonna jump up from about 240 to about 290 million ADA, right? Am I understanding that correctly, Brian?
Yeah, because the 240 million was from the previous snapshot.
Yep.
Remember, they take a snapshot every
Yep.
uh, 5 days. So what you see on the screen, Pool Tool, it's a good tool for not only stakers but also pool operators. It's a good tool for everyone.
Yeah.
So shout out to Papa Carp. Um, Papa Carp did a good job. Uh, right now, it just shows two pools being saturated: Ocean and IOG one. Swim, shout out to Swim Pool. He's doing awesome. Also, it's at 200 million. So thank you, Swim, for trying to do your part and getting people to other pools, supporting small community pools. Us small fishes really appreciate that.
Yeah. So what I'm getting from it is if I look at the IOG, they got 240 since the last snapshot, and then now they're gonna be up to 290. So it's basically going up another 50 million ADA. And I don't know if that's one person or multiple people, but why would they want to do that?
I think a lot of it is just not being educated.
Okay.
Um, I think the Dataless wallet does such a good job of being easy to use, user friendly, that the most savvy investor in ADA is not doing their due diligence
It's too
to
easy.
research. What's that?
It's too easy.
Yeah, so they're just going to number one. So hopefully, this video is to educate. It's not to bash or by any means. So let's move on to the next slide.
Okay. And I just want to say that 50 million ADA could definitely be used towards other pools, especially the smaller ones that a lot of guys are shutting down now. Still waiting to make a block, and a lot of guys are waiting that deserve it. So
All right, let's go to the next.
okay, so we want to talk about this tweet from Cardano Nation. Shout out to Cardano Nation. He's always putting out good content. All right. So you want to talk about what this tweet is about, Brian?
Sure. Can you okay, I'll just read the tweet and then you can enlarge the
Okay.
graph later. It says the IOG stake pool has now reached 138% saturation. As you can see from this chart, as delegation increases beyond 100%, the ROS is decreased. There are plenty of smaller stake pools. Again, Cardano Nation, thank you for supporting small businesses. Um, so back on Epic 212, it shows the ROA, return on ADA, is 4.85. And then as their computed stake grew, the saturation increased. And so you move to the right, it shows that their ROA, the return on ADA, had dipped a little bit
Here.
to 4.65. And then the trend continues to below 4.2. So again, we want to just hopefully the small viewers that we have watch this video and take that into consideration. Of course, we would love for people to go to small pools, but the basic idea is go to any pool that's not saturated.
Yeah.
John, let's go to the next slide.
Please. Okay. So next site here we're looking at is ADA pools. I got it sorted by stake. So again, IOG one. It's at the top. So we can basically see a list of these pools and what their stake is. I think saturation
Yeah.
is at what, like 208 million, I think.
Yeah,
Around
208.
there? Okay.
So,
Okay. So according to this one, it's just IOG one. Did you want to add anything to what we're seeing?
yeah, I just wanted basically the Ada Pools, another great resource. Shout out to Ada Pools. Um, it's basically the same information as Pool Tool, but they give a nice linear color coded graph, which is clean, easy to read, easy to understand. So let's try not to make this video too long.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
All right. So last site we're gonna look at is pool.pm by Smog. Great job on this site, Smog. Very clean. I like it.
So same thing. Smogpool does a good job of, you can see it highlighted in red. Red, stop, warning sign. Don't delegate to this pool. And Smog does a good job of. He even puts it out and says 6% is being lost. So let's just quickly touch on. I think I had mentioned it, but let's quickly touch on saturation. So these big pools, it's great. These pools are big. They have more chances to make more blocks compared to a small pool, which is nothing wrong with that. But as we all know, when a pool gets selected to produce the next block, when you produce a block, it gets associated with an X amount of ADA being rewarded. So once the pool gets saturated, just because you make a couple hundred or 1,000 more blocks than the next pool below you,
Doesn't matter.
yeah. So the rewards is not gonna keep growing. Okay.
It's
I
capped.
think a majority of the people understand that, but it doesn't hurt to say it again, reiterate it.
Yeah.
So yeah, the rewards are capped, and in fact, so you're not getting you're not getting the bang for your buck. You're not getting the potential for your ADA. So again, this isn't to talk bad on any of the pools out there. We just want to educate the community, do our part. We want to try to bring value. Everybody talks about that. So we're really trying to put ourselves out there. And John, we got to stop this video because.
Yeah. So let's close.
Word.
Yeah, let's. The point is, if you're in a saturated pool or if you're going to a saturated pool, you might want to reconsider. You can use all these tools just to look up information to help you make your decision. If you guys have any questions, please post it to the comments. And thank you for checking out this video, guys. Appreciate it.
Oh, hang on. So also, we're on Twitter. So follow us on Twitter. We also have a Telegram. Follow us on Telegram. Twitter's great, but It's basically pool operators following pool operators, and so it's a great resource and tool, but we really can't get our message out there. And yeah, if you like this content, um, let us know if you want us to keep going or if you think we're fools. Stop. We're not fools, but
And we're trying. I'm
uh,
not trying to be fools, but we're trying to contribute here.
but yeah, if you like it, let us know if you want us to keep it up, and please support us. Joey too. Final word. We did have two pulls up. We decided to decommission our Joey pool. We will keep Joey 2 running. Um, we want to do our part to decentralize Cardano, um, and try to declutter the amount of pools out there. So, all right, thanks,
Cool.
John.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Brian.
everybody, for watching.
All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.